Okay, today we're trying to working on the 2013 Toyota Camry. We're gonna replace the radio, so I'll show you how to remove the dashboard. So I'm just gonna clip out this one with the soft tool. And then there's a harness for your clock. And you have to ply this one out. And then there's a two 10mm screw at the back. And then there's another two. One over here, one over there.
Okay.
And then just pull it. And then disconnect the wire.
How will you know if the speaker blew out too?
I have no idea. Until we hook it up, we're not sure.
Oh, okay.
And then bottom one they have an airbag on, so make sure you not put the key on or either disconnect the battery before you do it.
Oh, okay.
I'm talking to my subscriber.
I'm gonna close the door and you do like that.
No, it's okay. Okay, so this is how they look like. So this is for the airbag or climate control everything, and then this is all the wire harness that comes with it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I'll be back. Okay, so we made a wire harness, and then this is a steering wheel control modulator, and then this is antenna adapter. That's the wire harness. But the JBL system, you should get an interface. This is a regular non-amplifier. Plug back in. Put the antenna. And then this is the harness for your steering wheel control. Looks like this. Or either you can just, if you don't want to do this way, you can buy the steering wheel control adapter for this car. And then this is the antenna adapter. Okay, so this is how we transfer the climate control and then put the radio in here. So let me just hook it up and then see how they looks like. Okay, make sure you put the climate control before you put the key in. The wire harness, antenna, and steering control jacks, and then microphone. Okay, so this one hooked up with the steering wheel control. So some of them you have to hold the return button, or either some of them you don't have to use automatic program. So let it program it, and then try any button. Okay, it works. Mode, volume, track. Everything works. So let me put it back in. Yeah, just do the reverse order to put it back in. Make sure all the plug is, plug back in. Put the wire behind the I'm gonna put the screw, the 10mm on the top and the bottom. Got the wire harness in the middle, and then push it in, and then plug the top. And then just click it. And then one over here. Then you have to slide everything in. One over here. Okay, all set. Thank you for watching.